Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook hot dogs in an air fryer. First, let's get our air fryer ready. You'll want to preheat it to 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius. While it's preheating, arrange your hot dogs in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Make sure they aren't overlapping so they cook evenly. A parchment paper liner can be a real lifesaver here, preventing sticking and making cleanup a breeze. This simple setup ensures a perfect cook every time. Now that your hot dogs are in, let's talk about cooking. You'll want to cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes. This range allows you to achieve your preferred level of crispiness. A crucial step for even cooking is to flip them halfway through, so around the 3 or 4 minute mark. If you're aiming for that extra snap, try lightly scoring the hot dogs with a knife before they go into the air fryer. This small trick can make a big difference in texture. To get those perfectly cooked hot dogs, remember a few key tips. Avoid overcrowding the basket. If you have many hot dogs, cook them in batches. This ensures proper air circulation and even cooking. Want a warm, toasted bun? Pop them into the air fryer for just 1 or 2 minutes after your hot dogs are done. And for food safety, always check the internal temperature with an instant-read thermometer. It should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. Once your hot dogs are perfectly cooked, it's time for the best part, serving. Gather your favorite condiments: ketchup, mustard, relish, you name it, and dig in. Don't be afraid to get creative with gourmet toppings like a hearty chili, melted cheese, diced onions, or tangy sauerkraut. These additions can elevate your hot dog experience. And to complete the meal, classic sides such as creamy potato salad, crisp coleslaw, or golden French fries are always a fantastic choice. Enjoy your delicious air-fried hot dogs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.